Hi there, and welcome to 11 Plus Mocks Maths Test 2. Let's have a look at the first question just to get you all on your way. So which of the following is the most likely weight of a bag of flour? Remember, flour is a fairly heavy bag and a powdery substance in there where you can make bread and lots of other ingredients in order to bake cakes and make many other things. So how heavy do you think a bag of flour is? You can actually check at home if you've got a bag of flour, just estimate, just work out how heavy it could possibly be. But let's just work out measurements first of all. So in this case, a bag of flour, and we're trying to work out how heavy the bag is. Now, in terms of weight, we're going to go for kilograms here. Okay, which is most appropriate. So we can cancel A because 2 grams is very, very light. Liters is a measurement of liquid, so we can cancel that out. Millimeters is a measure of distance, so we can cancel that out. That just leaves us with 2,000 kilograms or 2 kilograms. So I would say that 2,000 kilograms is a lot of weight. So 2,000 kilograms is 2 tons. So 1,000 kilogram is actually the measurement of 1 ton, and that's very, very heavy. So I would personally go for 2 kilograms as the measurement of flour, which is the most appropriate weight. Now you've got in total 50 questions here to do, so good luck with the rest of the questions, and they're all mixed type of mock test maths questions as well. Good luck. Thank you.